We're here at Anywhere Audio and More, and we just completed work on this 2007 Porsche Boxster. The customer wanted to upgrade their audio system. So starting here in the front, I'll show you the custom box that we built. So basically this is the false floor, so they can still use their trunk area. And down below, for access reasons, you can see they've got their 12-inch subwoofer and the two small amplifiers that run the woofer and the new speakers that we installed along with the radio, which I'll show you here. So inside the doors, we've used the Sony ES three-way component system, which is the 6.5-inch mid-bass driver, the 3.5-inch mid-range, and then we custom installed the 1-inch tweeter up here in the top. And for the radio, we've got the Sony AX6000. The 6000 model has the wireless Android Auto and Apple CarPlay features, Bluetooth for phone calls and music streaming, and also added a backup camera. So we do these cars and many more. Just give us a contact through our website, aaexperts.com.